I will talk about LCX and share my price prediction for the long term and for the short term. So let's go straight into the content. LCX is right now on place 269 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $200 million. The coin is existent since 2019 and we saw the last all-time high in 2021. LCX is a newer cryptocurrency exchange with a massive potential. I talked about this project multiple times on this channel and I think that LCX will be one of the best performing exchanges in this whole crypto space. LCX has many interesting functions and a big ecosystem and big partners. And if we have a look at the chart, you can see that we already saw this massive bullish interest. We first broke this last supply zone right here, because at this supply zone we saw rejection multiple times. And after we broke through it, we came into this last high right here. And from this high, we saw this retracement to the downside again. And then this push to the upside again, we made a higher high. So we are in a daily structure and a bullish daily structure. And after this new high, we came back into this demand zone. This was the confirmed higher low. And right now we are in this sideways movement. So we are in this range. As you can see, we saw rejection here multiple times. And we're also seeing support right here multiple times. And right now retracing to the support. And now it's very interesting if we are seeing a break through this zone right here, or if we are seeing a support to the upside. I think it's a great chance to get into a new position on LCX right here if we are seeing a bullish rejection. Because on the long term, I'm very bullish on this project. And I think this is a no-brainer if you want to get into LCX on the long term to get now into some coins. And as well for the short term, if we are seeing a bullish reaction right here, or if we are sweeping this low and then seeing this bullish price action, then the chance is extremely high that we could see higher prices again. And then it's extremely important that we are breaking this last high right here to the upside. And if you're also finding acceptance over here, then the chance is extremely high that we could see the bullish explosion for LCX. And for the next potential interesting price targets, we are using the Fibonacci tool. And I think the next really interesting price target is the 2.618 Fibonacci at nearly 71 cents. Because as you can see, we had this last high right here. And I think the chance is high if we are breaking the last high that we could see a price discovery and see a massive bullish explosion. And just from the price right now to this potential price target, we would have potential over 170%. And I think this would be an amazing deal for LCX. And if you want to get daily updates on our crypto market or altcoins like LCX, then join my free Telegram group. You will find a link in the description. So all in all, guys, I'm really bullish on LCX on the long term. For the short term, it's now very important how we are reacting at this level right here. But if we are seeing a bullish reaction, a bullish price action, then I think this is an amazing chance to get into a long-term position. And I think a short-term position would be also very nice. And then it's very important that we are breaking this last range to the upside. And if we are finding acceptance over here, then I think the chance is high that we could see a massive explosion in the near future. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.